Hi, it's Daniel with Circo Innovations again. Today we have a new design. This is a PVC drying rack for your gear, your clothes. The benefit of this design is it has a pulley system up top that allows you to hoist it and get it out of your walkway area. It can be indoors, outdoors. We're going to show you how to build all this in the video. Enjoy. Before we get too far in this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so more people can see this video and you don't miss any new content. How to build this design. Go ahead and look at the description. It's going to give you the parts list. We also showed it later in the video. So what you're going to do is going to take the 4.5 foot sections to go here. You're going to place your 4 slip crosses on each side. That's going to be the easiest way. And put your sections right here in the middle. On those, this one here is a slip cross the opposite direction on either side. This is roughly the 3 foot sections. And then just put in the other sections along the edges there. And that's the easiest way we found to do it. And then just add your T's, your 45 degrees, your small sections of PVC pipe that are spare and after you've done your cuts, or your scrap pipe. And that's basically it. Parts list for this design are as follows. Okay, we're going into the assembly process. We're using the bike hoist 4-pack system. We bought 4 packs, but we actually only used about 3 of the main systems. I'll show you how we set it up. It was pretty simple. For what we needed, we wanted it away from the walking area, so we diverted it with a change of direction, pulling it along the side of the building there. It worked really good, but you could also make this design exactly how they designed it and make it work just as well. We just, like I said, got it out of the walking area so we could pull from more of the wall. Up the pulley there, we're aligning it with the angle that we want. These are now pitched at the same angle. We'll show you how that looks a little later. We think this will be better since it doesn't have the fluctuation, and this would allow it to naturally go up a little smoother. So we're going to do it on both sides and see how it turns out. All right, we finished. Okay, we've come to the section where I'm showing you why we have these as slip cross fittings. This is allowing us to have the availability of putting boots in between and tightening them down around them so they do not fall out. Or if you need to have things tighter together, like if you're doing a lot of gloves or towels where you want more sections in between. Remember, with PVC, you can change the design, add whatever you want. As you can also see, we use the 45 degrees with small sections of PVC pipe. They go on the edges there. Those are additional to our plans. They were the scrap after I cut all the pipes. So those are roughly 2 to 3 inches long, and those just allow a little more section of pipe to hold on the pieces. We also use the T's there, and that allows us to secure items and they don't slide off. Use the snap clamps to snap on towels or any of your fabrics from sliding off if you have that issue.